Hola, amigos. It's Liz.
And it's Wes. Hello, everyone.
We decided we would try to voice over together today. So let's see how this goes.
Fingers crossed.
First of all, I just wanted to start with acknowledging that there was amazing visibility this morning. And so you can probably tell that the fish in this frame are very clear. You can see their color really well. And I think it was because we went super early on this day. And so nobody had been in the water kicking up sediment. And yeah, just the visibility was amazing. So we wanted to show that to you. Our mission today was cleaning a few platforms, but we just did the before and after for the turtle platform. So Wes started to get the before shot, and then
See, what happened was right out the corner of my eye, I spotted two snapper or
grouper.
grouper
Mm-hmm.
at this coral right next to the turtle platform, and I got carried away. If you're watching with us a couple of months back, I believe it was January, we actually did this same platform. And already you can see it's only been maybe a month or two, and it's already covered in algae once again. Please pay no attention to the little dangling thing that dangles as it dangles. I move it out the way.
Okay, so super thick algae. We've got our work cut out for us. Just to be clear, I am brushing around the base of the live coral. My brush is not actually touching the live coral polyps. Check out how this fish takes a bite and then spits it out. The fish behavior just cracks me up. Here you can really see how coated the platform is as I scrub it off. So one of our goals is to get some wire brushes to make it easier to get this thick algae off of the platforms.
I'll be scrubbing too.
He does. So that fish that you see going up through the holes in the platform is a sergeant major fish. And they are very territorial and they will bite your hands, but they're so small that you don't feel anything.
Well, they do bite our hands.
They
And you
do bite our
definitely feel
hands. So this is the after. I think we spent about 30 minutes on this platform, and obviously we couldn't get everything off, but the majority of the algae is now removed. So we'll give you an update on these coral babies after we check on them again next week.
And of course, we want to thank everyone who's given us their support throughout this journey.
You're awesome for caring for corals. We are so corny.